Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umer Ali, and today I will present my IBF project presentation, which is dealing in stock exchange market. First of all, I will discuss basic of Sharia. In the Islamic law, there is things that we can do and there is things that we cannot do. Keeping all those things in mind, special investment fund are made, those are known as Sharia compliant funds. Now I will explain what are Sharia compliant funds. Before that, let understand what is the meaning of Sharia. Sharia is an Arabic word. Now exact definition: Sharia, it is Islamic religious law that governs religious rituals and aspects of day-to-day life, including finance and banking. Sharia is mean the way of life, the way of Islam. Now, in the Islamic law and specifically in the Islamic law of investing. Now I will explain what is Sharia compliant. Companies follow Sharia guidelines in their business per Sharia advisory board. Trading in shares and stock is permissible is Islam, with conditions that the companies to be traded in must not be individual in any prohibited business activities pertaining to alcohol, financial services, gambling, pork, pornography, tobacco, non permissible advertising, prohibited media, and entertainment. Sharia compliant stock in Pakistan. We must be aware that Sharia compliant stocks and shares, Sharia based investment in Pakistan are quite popular, as most of the natives want their investments in to be in line with the Sharia principles. Now I will explain what are Sharia compliant funds. Sharia compliant funds are investment funds governed by the requirements of Sharia law and the principles of the Islamic religion. Sharia compliant funds are considered to be a type of socially responsible investing. Sharia compliant funds are funds that follow the principles of Sharia law. The investment portfolio of these funds is in line with the Islamic religion. Now I will explain understanding Sharia compliant funds. The Sharia compliant funds are socially responsible as per Islam. The followers should not invest in anything that causes harm to anybody or the environment. Therefore, investments are to be made in companies that adhere to the Sharia law. Factors of consider. Similar to other social responsibility funds within the environmental, social and governance ESG universe, Sharia funds screen potential portfolio investment for the specific requirements as desired by the Muslims. Sharia funds do not invest in companies that deal with the production of weapons, alcohol and gambling. Sharia funds invest in private equity, in real estate and exchange traded funds. The funds have Islamic scholars as their advisors who advise on investment decisions. As per the consulting firm Price Wealth House Corpus PwC report in 2011, Sharia compliant funds grew at an annualized rate of 26% over the first 10 years of this century. It is relatively difficult to estimate the industry's size or valuation, because much of the investment occurs through private placement since the funds are not traded in secondary markets. It provides less insight into their constitute constituents. These funds requires considerable effort to be implemented, as a lot of attention must be paid to compliance with the extensive set of rules and requirements guided by the Sharia principles. These rules can add complexity and costs to the management of a Sharia compliance fund. So these are whole explanation of what is the Sharia compliance companies. So further my friend will discuss about other topics. Jazakallah.